Hello learners, and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're doing a little bit of mental maths and we're going to count to 10. I know that it seems really simple because we worked with that when we were very young. But just for revision, we have to count to 10. We have to make sure we can count all our numbers actually. So, are you familiar with this? I used to love to play with this when I was younger. And what we would do is we would take the cone, put it down, and try to throw them until they went into its set. But if I tell you to count to 10, and I only want 10 of it, how many of it is going to be extra? Let's count. I only want 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at yellow is 10, which means I have 3 extra. 3. Okay, so I counted to 10 and I have 3 extra. Very quick lesson. All we're doing is counting to 10. So take out your workbook on counting to 10 and I will see you in the next lesson where we will be counting again.